Right. See, so now we are going to discuss about whenever you are retrieving the information for giving different conditions, relational operators and logical operators, and few more operators are there. All the operators we are going to learn. So first of all, to work with that, one table is required. So one table. So we are creating the table first. Creating the table. Create table. Employee table I am creating. Employee ID is an integer. Employee name is a varchar. Employee's salary is a decimal you can use, but I just want to make it simple. Later, in the representation of databases, data types and all, slowly I'll explain. Here I'll make it simple. Salary. Next one, age. Suppose I'm writing integer. Next one is a department. Which department is a varchar? HR, IT, savings, like this, just up to 10, 15. And next one, location, I'm writing. Varchar is the same like a 15. 15. We are creating the table. After creating the table, we are inserting the records. Insert into employee, values, ID is a name. Different names I'm inserting first. Is a salary. Age is a department and the location. These many values we are inserting every time. Every time. Let me insert few records.
Can't we insert multiple records at a time?
No, we can't. We are inserting the records. For example, 7 records I have inserted. 7 records I have inserted. And here, just commit and I'm checking select star from employee. Select star from employee. Here it is, all the records I have inserted. Now I'm applying conditions, relational operators and logical operators I am using. by applying different types of conditions, we are able to retrieve the information. The first one is already, we know that select star from employee, where account number, employee ID equals to suppose 4. Only that fourth record details it is giving. Fourth record. So first we are starting from the relational operators. Equals to is also relational operator. But in programming language, we use actually double equal. But here it is a single equal is enough. Greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, equals to. Equals to means single equal and not equal. The same relational operators. So what we use in regular programming languages, same we can apply here to retrieve the information on condition. Here is the same. Select star from employee where age is greater than 24. Greater than 24 means what? Only two people are there with the age 25 and 26. And next, for example, here it is employees where salary is greater than or equals to 25,000. 25,000. It is giving them all having salary with the 25,000 greater than or equal to. Only if I give 30,000, only few people are coming. Their salary is either greater than or equals to 30,000. Greater than or equal to 30,000. Now, here it is. For example, equal to where location equals to Pune, I am writing. Whenever it is a string, we just put it in a single quotes. Only the people related to Pune location come. These are the simple using relational operators. Maybe we can use a greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and all. There are logical operators are there. Same logical and operator is nothing but and. Logical or operator and logical not operator. And or not. But these are a very important things. Look at this. Why important? So why important? Observe this. I just want to display the details of records only, second record and fifth record. Display only second record and fifth record. Select star from employee where ID equals to second record. You can't use and. ID equals to fifth record because at a time ID is equals to 2 and 5. No, how? And operation means what? Both the conditions should be valid. How it validates at a time? We use or, even in programming language also. Or ID equals to 2, second record, or ID equals to 5, fifth record will give. Fifth record will give. Or operator. Right here, this or operator, simply you can write like this. Select star from employee where ID in you can use. In ID in 2, 5. ID in 2 comma 5. Just observe the difference. The relational operator, wherever we are using that logical operator or that simply you can replace with the in operator in 2 comma 5. Got it? Once again, one more. The people belongs to HR department and IT department I want. So select star from employee where department equals to IT or not and department equals to HR. See, except sales department, HR and IT departments came, right? And now, here it is. Instead of writing or just department in, you can write simply HR, comma IT. HR, comma IT is the same. So you can replace or operator with the in operator also. Is one. Next one. Sir, except HR and IT. Suppose is a not belongs to HR and not belongs to IT. We are using not now. Not we are using. Simply look at this. Not in HR and IT. Just opposite results if you want to get opposite results, we are using not operator. Not in HR, comma IT is a one. Got it? Now, here it is. Select that age from, I need 23 to 27 age only I want. Between from employee where age is greater than or equals to 23 and less than or equals to 26. 4 people are there. 4 people. The age between 23 and 26. Sir, less than 23 and greater than 26. Remaining people I want. Is again age less than 23 and age greater than 26. You have to specify. The same thing if you want to specify. What you will do? Age less than 23. Age greater than 26. Sir, why? Sir, why is not coming? Why is not coming? At a time, age less than 23 and greater than 26. How it happens? Look at this. At a time, age, if 24 is there, see, 24 is there. 24 is greater than or equal to 23, yes. 24 is less than or equal to 26, yes, happy. Yes or no? So is printing. Now look at this. 22 is there. Yes, 22 less than 23. But at a time, the 22, how is greater than 26? We use OR operator. You have to change OR. Look at this. Now remaining people will come. So confused, no? So confused. That's why it's easy. It's easy. Select star from employee where age between 23 and 26. Age between 23 and 26. And here it is age not between. Opposite means what? See how easy it is. Again, no need to think what we have to use here, greater than, less than. right? Instead of using all these things, easily we can specify like this. Easily we can specify like this. Is a one. Okay. So relational operators, AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, IN operator, not in operator, between operator, and not between operator. Mainly we use these things. Mainly we use these things here for conditions, easily, to write conditions easily. First, relational operators we use. Relational, remember, is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equals to, and not equals to. Next one is whenever we use a logical operators, logical. If you are using logical AND operator, please use in place of that AND between. It's easy. And you need opposite means what? Use not between. Exactly inverse results if you are expecting, not between. If you are using OR operator means what? In that place use in operator. Exactly inverse results, opposite results you want means what? Is a not in operators. Which operator? Not in operators you have to use. And between, not between, or in and not in we are using. Simply. So for using these, we can easily write the conditions. Next one. Next one here. One operator is there is what? Like operator. Like is a like operator. So what is that like operator? Here it is. Same whenever you are working with the strings only. Whenever you are working with the strings. Same. Look at this. Select star from employee. Sir, I just want to display the employees belongs to department is a HR department. How you write? Select star from employee where department equals to HR. We write like this. We write like this. Okay. But here, department like HR. Department like HR. Both are giving that same output. Then why the first one is also okay now? When we use a like operator exactly. It's actually like operator is used to search for a specific pattern. Specific pattern means what? Is a string, some characters in a column, not entire column name. That is two things we use, two symbols. So one is a percentage, second one is underscore we are using. Underscore. So what is the purpose? What is the purpose with the percentage as well as underscore? Percentage means what? Percentage means what? Remember, it will match. It will match 0 or more characters. How many characters are matching? How many characters are matching? That is. Next, underscore matches exactly one character. Exactly one character. Percentage means Zero or more characters match. Underscore means what? Exactly one character match. So don't confuse. If you see the number of examples, you will get clarity. You will get clarity. Sir, I just want to display the people. I want to display the people starting from A or starting from H. Only starting from H. So select star from employee where name like, of course, I'm just using capital letter. I already told you for highlighting, that's all. H. Remaining any are there, we don't want. Just starts with a H. Look at this. So remaining characters, that percentage why I have given remaining, maybe there are single zero characters or 10 characters or 20 characters. I don't want. I don't want, sir. No, starts with a H, but exactly 5 characters should be there. See, 4 underscores you have to give. Hope you understood the difference now. Percentage means what? It matches, it matches 0 or more characters. Underscore means what? Exact match. So H is the first character. Remaining 4 characters are there, then it will display. For example, if you give H, only 3, nothing will be displayed because the name starting with the H and consists only 4 letters is not there. Is not there like that. Okay. Next. For example, starts with the H or only ends with N means what? S is there. N ends with the suppose R is there like this. Initially, how many characters? No matter. How many characters? No matter. Just starts with and ends with. In between also we can use. So in between also. For example, in between AR is required. AR. In between AR is required. Like this. See. AR, AR, AR. For 3 people, AR is there. Sir, before how many characters? I don't want. Sir, later how many characters? I don't want. I don't want. Like this. Sir, here it is. Before only one character should be there. And later any number of characters are present. See, Amar skipped because before AR in Amar, 2 characters are there. But in Harin and in Harish, first initially single character is there. H. Followed by any number of characters. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That is. Got it? Is a way. Just that like operator. Like operator. So particularly only you are specifying, sir, only 4 characters people I need. Oh, sorry. Only 4 characters people I need. Only one person is there like this. Strictly. So like operator is very simple. Just pattern matching in the column name. Column name pattern matching. So whenever you are matching, then we specify like operator easily. Okay. These are the operators. These are the operators we are using. Is one.